Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic that can feel a bit tricky at first, but is essential for anyone exploring the world of decentralized finance or DeFi, moving your crypto tokens between different blockchain networks. Have you ever had some tokens on, say, the Ethereum network, but wanted to use a cool new app on Polygon or Avalanche? You try to send them over and nothing, it doesn't work. It can be confusing, right? Well, that's because each blockchain is like its own separate country with its own unique currency and rules. You can't just spend US dollars directly in Japan. You have to exchange them for Japanese yen first. Blockchains are similar, so how do we bridge that gap? The answer is using something called a cross-chain bridge. Think of a bridge as a currency exchange booth at the airport. It helps you convert your assets from one blockchain's format to another. It's the magic that makes the multi-chain universe possible. Let's break down the most common way to do this, using a dedicated bridge platform. There are many out there, like Portal, formerly Wormhole, Stargate, or specific bridges for certain networks like the Polygon Pause Bridge or the Arbitrum Bridge. For this example, we'll walk through the general steps that apply to most of them. First things first, security. Always make sure you are on the official, legitimate website for the bridge. Double-check the URL. There are many scam sites that look identical to the real ones, designed to drain your wallet. Bookmark the correct sites and only use those bookmarks. Your security is your responsibility, so be vigilant. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to connect your crypto wallet, like MetaMask, to the bridge's web application. You'll see a Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Click it, and your wallet extension will pop up asking for permission to connect. Approve it. Once your wallet is connected, the interface is usually very straightforward. You'll see a From section and a To section. In the From section, you'll select the starting network, the one your tokens are currently on. Let's say we're moving from Ethereum, so we select Ethereum. Next, you'll choose the token you want to move. Let's use USDC, a popular stablecoin, as our example. You'll select USDC from a drop-down list and enter the amount you wish to transfer. The bridge will often show you your current balance of that token on the selected network. Now, for the To section. This is your destination. Select the network you want to move your tokens to. Let's pick Polygon. The bridge will automatically show you that you'll receive USDC on the Polygon network. Sometimes you might receive a wrapped version of the token like WETH instead of ETH. This is normal. A wrapped token is just a version of a crypto asset that is compatible with another blockchain. Think of it as your original currency being held in a vault, and you're given a tokenized IOU that you can use on the new network. Before you hit that Send or Transfer button, pay close attention to the details. The bridge will show you an estimate of the fees, the estimated time of arrival, and the amount you'll receive on the destination chain. Fees can include a network gas fee for the departure chain, a bridge-specific fee, and sometimes you will need a tiny bit of the destination chain's native token to claim your funds. For example, if you're bridging to Polygon, you will need a little Matic in your wallet on the Polygon network to pay for the final transaction. Okay, everything looks good? Double-check the networks, the tokens, and the amounts one last time. If you're happy, click the Approve button first if required. This gives the bridge's smart contract permission to access the specific amount of tokens you're sending. Your wallet will pop up asking for confirmation. This is a standard security step. After approving, the Transfer or Bridge button will become active. Click it. Your wallet will pop up again, this time to confirm the actual transfer transaction. This is where you'll pay the gas fee on the source network. Confirm the transaction. Now, you wait. This is the part that can take anywhere from a few minutes to sometimes over an hour, depending on the bridge and how congested the networks are. Most bridges have a status page or a transaction tracker so you can see what's happening. Don't panic if it takes a little while. Your funds are moving through the digital pipes. Once the transaction is complete on the source chain and processed by the bridge, you'll need to switch your wallet's network to the destination chain. So, in our example, we'd switch MetaMask from the Ethereum mainnet to the Polygon network. Once you're on the Polygon network, you should see your new tokens in your wallet. If you don't see them, don't worry. You might just need to manually add the token's contract address to your wallet. You can usually find this address on a block explorer like PolygonScan or on a site like CoinGecko. Just go to Import Tokens in your wallet, paste the contract address, and your balance will appear. And that's it. You've successfully moved your crypto from one blockchain to another. You can now use your USDC on all the exciting apps on the Polygon network. A quick word on another method. Some centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase also support withdrawals to multiple networks. For example, you could deposit your USDC on the Ethereum network to your exchange account and then withdraw it to your personal wallet on the Polygon network. This can sometimes be cheaper and faster, but it means you're relying on a centralized company. For DeFi purists, using a decentralized bridge is the preferred way. It's a lot to take in, I know. So my advice is to start small. The first time you use a new bridge, send a small, non-critical amount of money. Test the whole process from start to finish. Once you're comfortable and you see that your small transaction arrived safely, you can then proceed with larger amounts. Better to be safe than sorry. Learning how to use bridges unlocks the entire vast landscape of Web3. It gives you the freedom to explore different ecosystems, chase different opportunities, and truly make the most of your digital assets. It's a fundamental skill for any serious crypto user. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. It might seem complex, but after you do it once or twice, it becomes second nature. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.